Well, all right, guys. Just got back. We had an awesome ride today. We rode our local trails. Didn't stop for lunch. Got some drone for you. But now we're going to have that nice chicken supper. And hopefully we're going to get to ride again tomorrow. So stick around. Day 2. Nice chicken breast on the charcoal potatoes. Well, pretty cold. It's minus 17.4 and we're starting to cook up some supper. Having some corn, scalloped potatoes, and chicken. Minus 17. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna try and get a ride in today. Had a lot of problems yesterday. Tried filming yesterday. Lost the GoPro again. So today I'm gonna try out my chesty mount and see how it looks. No specific destination on call. We are just going to go for a ride, see if we can get a bowl of soup somewhere. Hope you enjoy the footage. Stick around and let's get on it. Hey guys, so I guess you're wondering where day 1 of the ride went before I showed you what I had for supper that night. It was a bloody cold day. I have to say it was incredible, and the local trails that we were riding had sticks and branches all over the place, and lo and behold, the GoPro blew off my helmet and then got run over. So I lost a lot of the footage from the first part of the video, which kind of stinks because it was kind of really cool trail up and down and a lot of steep hills that we had to go up. So anyway, we were able to get back, and I was able to salvage the GoPro and get my chesty mount. So today we're going to ride with a bit of a chesty mount. It's not going to be the most awesome footage, but it is still great Quebec trails, which a lot of people want to see anyway, and I'd like to be able to bring it to you. So enjoy the ride. We're going to meet up with my buddy, and we're going to go north and see what we can find. Hopefully we can find a nice bowl of soup. I know my buddy makes some great wonton soup, so hopefully we're going to be able to do that, and he does treat us really right. So enjoy the ride, and we'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so we're going through another section of an aerobic corridor. This one is up in a place called Montcalm, Quebec. It's about, I don't know, 10 or 15 kilometers long, and whoa, what's this? Oh great, somebody decided to drive their truck up the trail and is now stuck. Well, it looks like he's alright, but anyway. So this aerobic corridor, you're able to ride your bike in the summer, walk, rollerblade, whatever you'd like to do. Maybe not rollerblade because it is a rocky base, but it goes on, like I said, for about 10 kilometers. Could be a higher speed trail, that's for sure, but we're going to start making our way up into the mountains now, and we're going to cross over the top of two mountains. So we're going to go up one, down one, up one, down one. Really kind of a nice area, Montcalm. It's not a very big population, kind of dense, but really pretty scenery. You're constantly rolling through the mountains up and down here, so enjoy it. We're going to come up on the power lines, which is also kind of fun to ride through. They're really still developing the trail through there at the moment, so it's not the best trail, but hopefully in a couple of years we're really going to be able to just ride up and down the power lines, because we don't always lose the rights to the power lines, but sometimes we do. Alright guys, so quick little stop off at Fort West up in Arundel, Quebec. Meet Dan, the owner. Just made me a great large wonton soup. His wife makes the best wonton soup you can imagine. Dan, why don't you tell us what we can expect to get over here at Fort West?
Yeah, at Fort West we're actually a four-season paintball park, and we do airsoft events every second and fourth Sunday of every month. But we're mainly paintball. And we also have the restaurant in the winter that we open up Thursdays to Mondays from noon to 5 for the restaurant in the winter. And the rest of the year is always with reservations. But we're basically a multi-activity park, 4 seasons for the last 20 years. I've been doing this for 20 years.
All right, Dan. Thanks for the lunch, man. You can come by with your quads or your sleds. Dan's open, serves a huge different variety of food. So come on down and check him out. Thanks, Dan.
Cool. Thanks, man.
Well, guys, this has to be some of the best homemade wonton soup ever. Well, guys, we're getting ready to wrap it up. I'm just gonna we're just finished up the last couple of twisties, and then over one more lake, and I'm home. So, thanks to all my subscribers. I hope you enjoyed today's content. Much appreciate you giving me a thumbs up, and it really does help out my channel. And feel free to comment and ask any questions if you want in the comments below. If you like today's content, consider subscribing. It costs you nothing, and we'll see you on the next one. Be well and have a great week.